In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Calendly event private. Whether you're scheduling a confidential meeting or simply want to limit who can see and book your events, Calendly offers a feature to turn your public events into private ones. This is especially useful for those meetings you want to keep off the radar, only shareable with specific individuals via a direct link. First, let us start by navigating to Calendly's official website. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to do so. On the Calendly homepage, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. For those who prefer a quick sign-in method, Calendly offers a Continue with Google option. This is a convenient way for Google users to log in without having to enter their credentials manually. Simply click on Continue with Google and select the account you wish to use for Calendly. This will streamline your signing in process, making it faster and more secure. After successfully logging in, the next step is to access your Calendly dashboard. This is where all your event types are displayed. Your dashboard is essentially the control room of your Calendly account, allowing you to manage both your public and private events. To make an event private, you'll first need to find the event you want to modify. If your Calendly dashboard is crowded with many event types, take a moment to locate the specific event you're interested in changing. Once you've found it, hover over the event and you should see some options appear. Look for an option that says Edit. This will allow you to modify the event's settings. Upon clicking Edit, you'll be brought to the event's settings page. Here you can make a myriad of changes to how your event behaves, looks, and who can see it. Among these settings, you'll find an option titled Make Secret. This is the golden feature for those wanting to keep their events under wraps. Clicking on Make Secret transforms your event from being publicly available on your Calendly page to being something only those with the link can see and book. This change is immediate, and once you've clicked Make Secret, your event will no longer be listed publicly. It's important to note that making an event private doesn't affect its existing scheduled appointments. It simply prevents anyone from booking new appointments unless they have the specific link to the event. After you've made your event secret, Calendly will provide you with a direct link to your now private event. This link is what you'll share with the people you wish to book this event. Remember, this link is the only way for others to access and book your private event, so keep it secure and only share it with those you intend to. And just like that, you've successfully made your Calendly event private. This feature is invaluable for maintaining the privacy of your meetings and appointments. It allows for selective sharing, offering flexibility in how you manage and distribute your booking links. Always remember to review your event settings after making any changes. Calendly's user-friendly interface makes it easy to adjust your settings as needed, ensuring your scheduling process is both efficient and tailored to your privacy needs. In summary, making a Calendly event private is a straightforward process that enhances your control over who can book appointments with you. By following the steps outlined today, you can ensure that your meetings remain confidential, accessible only to a select group of people you choose to invite. Whether it's for business, personal, or something in between, Calendly's privacy settings offer the flexibility and security you need for your scheduling needs. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Keep exploring Calendly's features to make the most out of your scheduling experience. Until next time, happy scheduling.